Good morning, children. Today I have taken a topic on grammar, and that is a determiner. And before explaining, children, let me all welcome to you to my class. Okay, and I will be explaining you what is a determiner, how many types of determiners are there, and children, I will be telling you in short, children, that the important points of all the types of determiner. So first of all, what is a determiner? Okay, so what is a determiner, student? Determiner is a word used before a noun or pronoun. So children, what is a determiner? Determiner is a word which is used before a noun or pronoun. Okay, and which indicate which thing or people we are talking about. Okay, so children, first of all, determiner is a word. Determiner is a word which is used before noun or pronoun. Okay, and like children, example: a, the, some, much, many, few, etc. So there are so many types of determiners are there, student. Many types are of determiners are there. Okay, so now children, like he is a good boy, and children, as I told you, determiners are always before a noun. So he is a good boy. So here you can see, children, boy is a noun, good is the adjective, and we are using the determiner a before the adjective or a noun. So determiner is generally, mostly it is used before noun, but sometimes it can be used before adjective. Like he is a tall boy, a tall boy. So children, tall here is a adjective, boy here is a noun, and a here is a determiner. Okay, the boy you met is my friend. Now here there are two nouns. The boy you met is my friend. Boy is a determiner, sorry, noun. Da is a children, da is a determiner. Friend is a noun, and my is a determiner. Okay, this novel is very interesting. This novel is a very interesting. Novel is a noun. This is a determiner here. Okay, then I have some information about the accident. Information is a noun. Some is a determiner here. Okay, so I think you people have understood about determiner. What is a determiner? What is a determiner, student? Determiner is a word which is used before a noun or pronoun. Sometimes it is used before an adjective also. Okay, now my next point is kinds of determiner. Okay, children, in my previous video, we have already discussed first kind of determiner, but again, I will be telling you some very important point quickly. So, children, there are 8 kinds of determiners. There are 8 types of determiners are there. Okay, there are 8 types of determiner. They are articles. So in this we have already discussed. 2 type of articles are there. One is a definite article and other is indefinite article. We have already discussed. Once again I will be discussing with you. Now second is demonstrative determiner. Demonstrative. Then third is distributive. Distributive determiner. Fourth is ordinals. Fifth is cardinals. Then quantifiers. Sixth is quantifiers. Seven is children your this here it will be demonstrative. demonstrative, demonstrative, and here it is distributive, and then it is interrogative. Okay, so articles, demonstrative, no, something is wrong. Yes, it is here. Third is possessive. Third is possessive. Okay, so these are the determiners: articles, demonstrative, possessive, ordinals, cardinals, quantifiers, distributive, and interrogative determiners are there, right? Now I already discussed with you children. We will start with the distributive articles. So children, I've already told you that there are two types of articles are there: definite articles and indefinite articles are there. So children, I was discussing with you children, we were discussing articles. So what is the article, children? Articles are a two type, definite and indefinite articles. I was telling you, okay, definite article is the, and indefinite article is a and an. I've already tell you the uses of a or an. So children, I told you the first type of determiner we will be discussing in short, because I've already done it with you. I'm going simply to revise. So articles are indefinite, that is a and an, and then children definite articles, and that is the. Okay, so I told you children the uses of a or an, like a is used with children singular countable noun. Okay, a is used with singular countable noun, an is also used with singular countable noun. A and an is used with consonant sound, an is used with children vowel sound. But if the then children some sound depend upon, then the a and also depend upon the sound of vowel and consonant. Like children, sometime, children, what do we see? Sometime we observe that the word is starting with children, European. Okay, it is starting with a constant vowel sound, but we write a European, because actually e is starting with European. This is starting with European. Okay, and university. So this is starting with university. So children, we will write a, or we will write a university, a European here. Okay. So these are, I mean to say children, these are the thing which is depend upon the a or an is also based on the sound of vowel and consonant. Like a one-eyed person. So one is started with O-N-E. Actually children, we should write and one-eyed, but the pronunciation is A-1-W-N-E. Okay, the pronunciation is A-W-N-E. Okay, so here we will write a one-eyed person. So similarly children, honest person. Okay, we pronounce S silent, so it is an honest person, because then the vowels, it is starting with the vowel sound O. So this you have to see. Then the uses of the, children, I have told you. Okay, so many uses of the, that it is used with the unique things or one thing in the world, the sun, the name of the moon or the stars, we always use the. Then children, with the it tells about the whole class. Okay, it tells about the whole class, children, like the dog is a faithful animal. Here dog is representing the whole class of the animal. So this I've told you related with the, then with the name of the ship, with the name of the train, with the name of the ocean, with the name of the sea. Okay, then with the name of the newspaper, the Hindustan Times, the Times of India. Children, with the name of the river, the Ganges, the Brahmaputra. Okay, with the name of the direction, the north, the east, the south, the west. Okay, with the name of the oceans, the Dead Sea, and the sea, the Dead Sea, the Red Sea. Okay, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean. Okay, then with the name of bay, the Bay of Bengal. All right, with island also, and with bay, children, the Andaman and Nicobar Island. So we are using the here. Okay, we are using the here. And children, now the next thing what I want to tell to you is that, children, we also used with this some proper noun which is we can which is starting with the proper way. This the thing which I wanted to tell you, we never use the with the proper noun, but here some of the country which is starting with the, children, words the. Okay, then we use the with them. Like, children, the some of the country which in which children, where United is combined with the name of the country, like United States of America. Okay, Union, USSR, Union of Sovereign Republic, then Federal Republic of Germany. So, children, so these are some of the country which is a proper noun. The rule is that with proper noun we never use the, but where the country where United uh, and Federal are used, there we can put the United Kingdom. So, children, this is the rule with the. Then, children, uh, we use the with the, children, with a definite article to refer to a specific person, like I want to meet the principal. If some specific person you want to say, then we can use the. Okay, then with the date, before date, and with period of time, like we met on the 15th of October, on with the period of time, it is a popular music of the 1960. So there are many uses of the, children, and we have already discussed this thing in our previous video. If you want to say something particular, okay, I want to visit the school on Monday. So that school is something very particular school, that is your school. Okay, instead of saying I want to visit the Army Public School Varanasi on Monday, you can say I want to visit the school on Monday. Okay, so this you have to see. Now, children, our next second determiner is demonstrative determiner. Okay, so what are this, that, these, those. So, children, these are demonstrative determiner, and as I told you, children, determiners always come before noun. Now, this book is mine. Book is a noun, this is a determiner. That fan is not working. These cups are here. Those pictures are there in a wall. So, children, here you can see, children, this is all since it is a demonstrative determiner, so it is this, that, these, those, it is always used before noun. Now let me tell you some of the uses of this and that. This is used to this is used, children, with a singular thing, and that is also used with a singular thing. Okay, with a singular countable noun, but this is used where the thing is near to us, and that is used when the thing is far away, like the fan is a bit far away. This is a marker, this is very near to me, it is a singular also, so we can use here, this marker is mine. Marker is a noun. That fan is not working. A fan is bit higher, it is a bit away from me. Okay, and children, these and those are used with plurals. These and those are used with plurals, right? So you have to see, children, this and those are used with plurals, and children, this is used, these is used for the things which is kept near, and those is used with the things which are far away. So children, I have told you about demonstrative determiners. Now the third determiners is possessive determiner. No, children, I think I should tell you, children, possessive means to have something, to own something. So these are some of the word where which shows that you are owning something, you are having something, you have something. Like these words are, children, my, our, your, his, her, their. Okay. It's. Okay. Like my car. My car. Car is children noun, and my is possessive determiner. It shows, this word my shows that you are having some possession. Our, our, our school. This is our house. House is a noun and school is a noun, and our is a possessive determiner. His book. His is used with male person. Her book. Her is used with female person. Okay. This, she is a new girl. This is her book. Give it to her. Okay. Then their. Okay. Their. This is their pen. This is their ground. This is their ground. Ground is a noun, and their, children, this is their ground. So you can see, children, again possessive are, these are the word which shows that you are having your possession. My, our, your, his, her. His is used with male, her is used with female. Of course, children, it is used with non-living thing and animal. It is used with non-living thing and animal. Okay, this you have to see. It is used with non-living thing and animal. Okay, this is my dog. It is his strap. Okay, so this is the possessive determiner. Now, children, fourth one is ordinal. Fourth one is ordinal, children. Okay, so here you can say, children, ordinals are first, second, third, last, next. Okay, so first, second, third, last, next, these are some of the ordinals are there, children. Okay, the ordinal shows what position something has in a series. So ordinal shows what? What does ordinal shows? What position somebody or something has in a series. Okay, what position or what thing it has in a series. This is a ordinal. Okay, like he is the first boy who has joined this school. She is the first teacher who has come to teach in the school. Okay, I shall meet him next week. Week is a noun. Okay, I shall meet him next week. This is the next house. Where next house? The house, you can say this is the next month we are going to have a meeting. The next month. Month is a noun here. Then he is the last man to help you. He is the last man to help you. And now, children, the fifth one is cardinals. The fourth one is cardinals. What is cardinal? 1, 2, 300. Okay, all these things are cardinal.